How's it going, patrons? Shooting a bit of a harvest clip for the Sunshine Chillies. There's actually a load on the plant. This section here is actually weighed down with all the fruit on there. I don't know if you can see it. There's a load of green fruit and there's a load of ripe stuff over the back there. There's more down in there, and I've also picked some from a plant up near the house. So what I'm going to do is just set the camera up and film harvesting these guys. A few more over there. Film harvesting these guys, and then I'll make up a little bit of a clip with the sauce if it works out all right later on, and share that with you all as well. I just quickly, you're not seeing this video until tomorrow because I had to go to I didn't have to, but I decided to go to a YouTube workshop over at South Bank in Brisbane. So it's a little bit of a YouTuber gathering. So just to show you some of the chilies on this side as well. And there's a load more down in here. There's some like these ones down the bottom that probably should have been picked a little bit earlier, but I missed them. So that's a little bit disappointing. There's still a load of green ones on there, like these ones here. So, you know, I'm pretty stoked that we're going to have a crop that's going to come through all winter long. Anyway, I'm going to shoot a little bit more B-roll, then I'll harvest the chilies and give you a bit of a gander at the harvest. So there we go, folks, that's what the bush looks like all cleaned out. There are a load of green fruit on there still, and what I'm thinking of doing is maybe coming down and grabbing some of these if I can't make up the weight. By the way, there's a couple that didn't make the grade, and there's a bit of a look at the harvest. So I will be at least doing the fermenting clip for you folks here on Patreon. We'll wait and see how it turns out if I'll pop it up to YouTube, just with everything that's going on. Thought I'd give you a bit of a gander at the bees as well. They're very active today. It's a balmy 27 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a sort of a little bit higher, slightly higher than normal winter day here for Ipswich. But the bees are loving it. Anyway, I better go up and get ready, have a bit of a shower and scrub up for this do over at West End or South Bank. And I'll let you guys know how that went as well. One last look at this beautiful lady. I would like to stake her up, but I just don't want to damage any of the black turmeric down in there, so there you go. Just quickly at the end here, I wanted to thank all the folks who helped put on the YouTube Creator Day that I went to. Thank you very much to everyone involved, and also give a huge shout out to a couple of Aussie YouTubers that I met up with. Mark from the Self-Sufficient Me channel. A lot of you folks will already be familiar with Mark's videos. He does backyard farming, gardening, and also homesteading. He's on a much larger block than we are here. And also to Justin Brown from Justin Brown's Primal video. G'day Justin. I don't think you'll be watching this clip somehow though. Justin does tech reviews on hardware for making your own videos, also production tips as well. I found a couple of his clips very helpful, so check him out if you're a creator yourself. There's links to both of those folks down in the description below. I am looking at posting the fermenting clip to Patreon, but I'll probably end up posting it there to YouTube as well for all you haters out there who complain that Patreon gets everything. They don't really. You can pop over and check it out for yourself if you're interested. But I will pretty much leave it there. Thanks again to everyone who does come along and support the channel. And as always, you can find our super contributors down in the description below. And thanks to all the rest of you patrons as well. I'm going to leave it there because I'm starting to get bitten by mosquitoes. It's a bit late here on Sunday night. Do hope you're all well and happy in your own gardens and aquaponics are booming, and I'll catch you online. Cheers all, have a top one.